Okie doke. So we have we're counter bored. See a little divot right there? So because we're using these wood screws, we're gonna run a pilot hole through our base and then into the sidewalls. And I know that's kind of hard to see, but that fits in there quite nicely. That's not necessarily by design. We're using a number 10 wood screw. So again, that's this guy. So that's a number 10 by 1.5 inch wood screw. And I'm sorry, it's not focusing well. So that's gonna be our pilot. And it's hard to see because of the shadow, but the screw flights or the threads, whatever you want to call them, are protruding past the outside, the OD of the 1/8 inch bit. And then 13/64 is the recommended, and just Google this, right? Just Google it. Look, this crap committed to memory. That's going to be our clearance fit. So if you can see, it's kind of hard to tell, but this is actually 3/16 because I don't own a 13/64. But 3/16 is just a 64th over, and that's going to be our clearance hole. So we're going to drill a clearance hole through the full width or thickness of this top panel here, and then our pilot hole is going to go all the way down into the side panel. That way the screw, when we thread it in, will suck this panel here, which is the bottom, again, tightly into the side panel here.